Hey guys, welcome back. As we have seen max method in a previous video, mean method as such, which you are going to look in this video, is the opposite of max. So it gives you the minimum value within the tuple. Yeah, so this method gives you minimum value within it. So finding the minimum of two given numbers is one of the usual calculations what we do. In general, minimum in a is an operation where we find the smallest value of all the given values within a tuple. Yeah. The syntax as such is very easy, which is mean of tuple. Yeah. And tuple, as I said, this is a tuple which from where you want to find the minimum valued element. Yeah. Let's use the same examples that we had earlier. We'll try to find the mean of numbers first. So let's have this first example. So we are trying to find the mean. Again, let me change everything here. We need to change the formula. Yeah. So we have two tuples here, which are all numbers. And we are using the formula mean or the method mean to calculate the minimum or find out the minimum value within this two tuples. So let's see what is the answer on this. So in the first tuple, the minimum value is 1. And in the second tuple, the minimum value is 6. Yeah. Same way, let's try for alphabetical. For strings or alphabets, let's try to find out the minimum in strings and alphabets. So again, let me change the formulas and some formatting. Yeah. So same way as we did for max, let's see what is the minimum of in alphabet. So you can see A is the minimum in alphabet and ABC is the minimum in string. Yeah. So it's just an opposite of what we did earlier. Yeah. Not much of a difference. Yeah? Let's see what happens in a lexicographical element. If I change the element to mean or the method to mean. Yeah, again, I'll change it. If you remember, the max was cat. Yeah, so I guess the minimum would be the capital cats. So, but still, yeah, so the minimum of tuple 1 is cat, which is capital, which has the lowest lexicographical value in the elements. Yeah. Let's use the real-time example as well, which we have used earlier to find the lowest or the last rank person. Okay. Last rank student. And here we have found as the first rank student. Yes. So let me change the values as well. So this is mean. That is what we need to change. Ranks last with this many marks. So everything remains the same. We have just changed the max to mean formulas. What we have done here is we have the student's name. We have the marks that they have obtained. What rank 1 does is it pulls the minimum marks. So what minimum mark is available within the marks table is 640. So 640 is at what index? So this is 0, 1, 2, and third index. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to find the index of the marks that we have received. So 640 is at to get the minimum marks. I have got the maximum. So here you can see it is at the third index. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So what happens? It goes into the student tuple, and this name ID is replaced by the index that we have got for marks, and it searches for student 3. So it is this way, student 3. So what is the name of student 3? Is Sam. Yeah. So 0, 1, 2, and 3. Yeah. So it gives Sam ranks last with 640 marks. Yeah. Pretty easy. Since we have seen the max function, this was pretty easy to understand how it works. Yeah. So I guess you have understood how mean also works. I would request you people to first go through max function where I have explained in detail each and every step so that you can understand mean very quickly. Yeah. Hope you like this video and the examples within it so that you can learn very faster. Yeah. Do like, share this video with your friends. Do comment if you have any suggestions or feedback on the video, or if you have more information to share with my viewers who are watching these videos. Do subscribe to my channel if you like to get such videos at your inbox automatically. Thank you so much.